So we have successfully transferred 400K USDT in our Binance account. We can see that in our Binance dashboard. And also, we transferred 50K on stake. I was doing some trades here, doing some bets. You can do some bets with this. Flash USDT, and also transferred 100K Flash USDT on Trust Wallet. I have changed the chain from ERC20 to TRC20 network. You can do this with the help of any centralized exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Let us learn how to create our own Flash USDT. This trick will definitely change the game of Flash USDT in the market right now, since anybody can create their own Flash USDT with this technique. Follow this instruction step by step. Go to remix.ethereum.org/org and create a new file and name it usdt.sol. Copy the original code of USDT Flash. Copy the whole code and paste it on Remix. The code link is in the description below. Copy the whole code and paste it here. And now go to Solidity compiler and choose the compiler version 0.6.6 and then compile usdt.sol. After compilation, to deploy and run transactions, you need to connect your Web3 wallet. Choose Connect Wallet and connect your wallet. We will do this with MetaMask here. In this video, we will create 100,000 USDT using 0.1 Ethereum. We need to keep some extra Ethereum in our wallet to pay some gas fees. Now, choose the token name as Tether and token symbol as USDT, and then click on Transact. Round the gas fees to the nearest highest integer so that your transaction passes quickly. Max the gas fees and confirm it. It will take some charges to deploy the contract. Our transaction was submitted, and then we wait for a few seconds. Great, the contract has been deployed successfully. Be careful now, guys, and copy the contract address. Copy the address here. This is our contract address. Send here 0.1 Ethereum. This Ethereum is sent to the contract to generate our 100,000 Flash USDT. Make sure you copy the right address of your contract, send here 0.1 Ethereum, and then confirm the transaction. Wait for a few seconds to load the balance on the contract. Okay, now that our balance has been added to the contract, click on Start, max the gas fees, and click on Confirm. It's better to deploy the contract when the gas fees are low. You can check gas prices at etherscan.io/io. So now we started the bot to generate Flash USDT. Wait for a few seconds until it works. So as soon as the transaction is complete, close the extension and click on withdrawal. This will withdraw the Flash USDT to our wallet. Max the gas fees and then click confirm. Sometimes it may take like 1 to 2 minutes, and sometimes it may reflect instantly in your wallet. Let's check our MetaMask wallet. We have to import our coin here. Import token, search USDT. Great, the 100,000 Flash USDT tokens have been successfully generated and sent to our wallet.